Hello guys, what is up? This is Danshu and I am back with another video, and today we will discuss about the cadence algorithm. And cadence algorithm is most frequently asked algorithm in any interview question. Okay. So what is the cadence algorithm? इस cadence algorithm में अपने को क्या करना होता है कि अपने को maximum sum find करना होता है continuous elements के लिए, कि अपने को continuously add करना है elements को और अपने को देखना है कि किस sequence के लिए अपने को maximum sum मिल रहा है. तो इसके लिए अपन दो वेरिएबल को फॉलो करेंगे. वन इज करंट सम एंड अनदर वन इज मैक्सिमम सम. ओके, सो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं -2 से. -2 is negative number, so it will reset to 0. Okay, then what we can do, so there is 0 plus 1, so we have as of now current sum is 1 and maximum sum is as well 1. Then we have -3. -3 is -2. Okay, and again our current sum become 0 and our maximum sum is still 1. Then we start with the 4. 4, 0 plus 4, 4. Okay, now current sum is 4 and the maximum sum is as well 4. Then -1, so it will become 3, but maximum sum as of now is 4. Okay, or we can say maximum sum so far, so it is this variable is easy to understand. Okay, then we have 4. Okay, then what we have, -2. Okay, 3 plus, okay, so current sum है minus 3 plus 2 5 हुआ. So now our maximum sum is 5. Okay, so far. Then उसके बाद में क्या है अपने पास में, you have 3. Okay, 5, 3 plus 2 5, and then we have the 5 as our maximum sum. Then we have the 1. 5 plus 1 6. The now our current sum and maximum sum will be 6. Okay, so 6 is our maximum number. Let's suppose if we proceed further, so we have -5. So -5 again will become the current sum is 1, so that is not as maximum sum as of now. And then plus 4, that is 5, so 5 is again not a maximum sum so far. Okay, so 6 is the maximum sum so far, and that range between 4, -1, 2 and 1. So this is your maximum sum range. Okay, so this is about your cadence algorithm. Where we use the cadence algorithm, so we use cadence algorithm in the financial analysis, so where we want to get the maximum sum of array for our profitable period. Okay, or signal processing to get the maximum signal strength. So these are some use cases of the cadence algorithm, and its time complexity is big O of n. Why? Because we have only one loop. Okay, one for loop to iterate from each and every value. So that's it. And this screenshot is taken from my Algo 50 book. And if you want this Algo 50 book, so you can go to the description link. So you will find the link in the description and in the new post button as well on the left hand side, and you can comment me as well. I will give you the link of the book. And this is about the cadence algorithm and this video. And if you find this video interesting, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel for such these interesting videos. And we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.